Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. Maybe say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above $1.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.20, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above $1.20, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.20 would be great. However, from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, a little tricky because there's no really kind of in your face. I mean, yeah, you have it all the way up there, but then you have some other times where it hit right there. So I'm just going to split the difference there and try to find a common ground. And my common ground is at $1.32. Now, if you want to call it one of those other levels, I'm not going to argue against that. I think the whole idea here and what we can hopefully all agree on is that from a general kind of price congestion perspective, right up around here of $1.32 is where the price, can never quite build any traction and then, maintain any traction. Because again, yeah, the price actually did break above it there, but as far as maintaining traction, in terms of staying up above that level, the price wasn't able to do it. So $1.32 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.